Hello students, this is Sajid from GURUJEE. The NEET application started and of course I have notified to all of you with my live video yesterday. But of course there are so many students calling me from morning onwards like what are the documents required for application. So first of all, let's understand the process of NEET application. Okay, do it slowly and maybe if you're taking a day or two, there is no problem because you have time till say till 7th March, time is available. But like what are the documents you needed? Like as I told in the earlier one of my video that the application who does first come first basis. Only if your mark is coming with 720 out of 720 or 719 out of 720, in that case, how the seat reservation is going to be. In that cases, sometimes it is considered as like who applied first, but it is only for those students. And others like, maybe if you're taking a day or two, let us understand the process and then do it properly. And if you have any doubts, come to GURUJEE. We are helping every year. We used to help the students who wants to apply NEET, and our faculties are exclusively available for this, and they do this process and get their application copy downloaded after that. And when the hall ticket comes, such notifications also inform to the students who applied in GURUJEE, and we used to help them downloading and giving the hall ticket, and also guiding them how to go to the examination center, and giving the, if they need counseling support is also given. Also, the students who apply in GURUJEE, we used to support them giving mock test on all Sundays free of cost. Okay, so the first thing is that like you need to have your passport size photograph and your postcard size photograph. Okay, this postcard size is 4x6 dimension, and but this time there is no need like, or it is not mandatory that you need to list your name and photos taken, date, etc. It is advisable that if a candidate would have been taken the photo after January 1st, okay, so that will be enough. And you need to keep your 10th mark sheet. Okay, 10th mark sheet, as per that 10th mark sheet only the application's date of birth and name, parent name, everything need to be ended. And then you need to have 2 email IDs, and then of course you need to have 2 mobile number, because both the mobile number, both the email ID should be accessible while applying, because there will be an OTP and the OTP has to be given timely. Okay, so I said email ID, I said mobile number, and I said the passport. Then you need to have the Aadhaar card with you, or you can have Aadhaar. Okay, as we earlier thinking that Aadhaar might be compulsory, this time I have checked the form. It is only mentioned that Aadhaar, do you have the Aadhaar ID? If you have, you can give yes and you can fill your details. If you know, you can just leave it as no. Alright, so these are all the few things. And there is one more important thing, there is a code. Okay, code 1 to code 7 is there. So code 1 is students who are appearing this year currently in 12th standard have to apply with the code 1. Okay, code 2 is for students who are completed, or the droppers, repeaters. For them code 2 are there. Okay, then code 3, code 4, code 5, code 6, it goes like that. So for example, code 5 is basically students who are studying in BSc first year, second year, for them code 5. And code 6 is there who have completed BSc degree and still applying for NEET, for them code 6 is there, and code 7 for any other courses you have completed. Okay, so these are all the few things. And so the Aadhaar card, keep Aadhaar card, and Aadhaar card should have updated as per the NEET this thing. Then you need to keep your 10 fingers finger points. These finger points you need to, if you have a plain paper at home, and take a stamp pad and keep your 10 fingers thumb impression, and then bring it to the center where you are applying, or you go to the center. If you come to GURUJEE, we are doing it for you. So you can take this, and this has to be uploaded along with it. And if you keep the Aadhaar card, and if you keep the other one, like keep in PDF format, your 10th mark sheet and all, you keep it in PDF format, so that if required, PDF and JPEG format, so if wherever necessary we can upload it. And rest of the things is like read the forms very carefully. It is available. That's what I told. If come to GURUJEE, you can always take a support from us, and you can proceed accordingly. Okay. So no other things. These are all the things. As I told you, valid email ID, and class 10 mark sheet, and mobile numbers, 2 mobile numbers, and then of course Aadhaar number, Aadhaar ID. If you have, it's okay. If you don't have, there's no problem. And scanned images, postcard size photo, passport size photo, signature. Of course, you need signature also to be taken on a plain paper and to be uploaded. So these things, like your if you bring it postcard photo and passport size photo, signature, and 10 fingers impression, if you bring in a JPEG format, that will be benefited, so that we can save the time. If you are not bringing it, it has to be done at any centers wherever you are going. So if it is in GURUJEE, we are helping you. Okay, and then PDF files, your 10th mark sheet and category certificate, community certificate, keep it in this thing, PDF format. So it is necessary, we can upload it. Okay, so these are the things. Now, as I told you, take some time and read before you are submitting. Or help the teachers or people who are supporting you and their help, and understand each and everything which you are applying and do it. Okay, so even though there will be a correction window, but few things like name, date of birth, and parent name, and all those things we cannot correct. So I'll repeat once again for the last time: the mobile numbers, 2 mobile numbers, valid email IDs, 2 email IDs, class 10 mark sheet. Okay, and class 12 details. If you have completed student, then class 12 details. If not, then there's no problem. And Aadhaar number and Aadhaar card. Okay, original Aadhaar card, please bring. And Aadhaar ID, if you have, you can. Otherwise, no problem. Then scanned images, postcard photo, and passport size photo, signature, and 10 fingers impression. As I told, in the photo, there is no mandatory that you need to write your name and date. Only it should be with white background, and should have been taken at least from or after January 1st of this year. Okay, then PDF files. And the code I told you, that PDF file in the sense like the mark sheet, and keep the community certificate in PDF format. Alright, so that we can cross check it, and then if needed, it can be uploaded if it is required. But as of now, it is not asked. Now let's see. The code, as I told you, while applying, code 1 is for students who are currently studying in any board, state board, ICSE, CBSE, any board appearing in 12th standard. But there is only one condition when we are applying code 1. In case if you don't have PCB, okay, if you don't have 50% at least, and then you are not qualified even after you are getting NEET marks. Okay, so minimum 50% mark is required from a board. Code 2 for all droppers and repeaters, and then goes to code 5 students who are completed or studying BSc or such courses, first year, second year. And code 6 is for who completed the graduation, and code 7 for from any other university. So understand this requirement and proceed accordingly. In case you want details, more details, call to GURUJEE. Our faculties will be able to help you, and come and apply with us. When you are applying, I also directed my teachers to allow all the students to write the mock test in GURUJEE on all Sundays. It is free of cost, and we will also be evaluating and giving you. And any students who are willing to take our crash course, which is starting from March 25th, there will be 5% discount all those who have applied in GURUJEE, okay, or through GURUJEE, and we will be with you throughout your counseling, or till you get the MBBS seat. We will be with you for helping you for getting you prepared for counseling, and what are the documents you need to carry, how you need to apply, and when you need to apply, and how the whole approach should be. So share my video to maximum students so that everybody is getting benefited, and like our videos and subscribe our channel. And till I come with next video, thank you so much.